Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based product, info products and training courses, and basically anything that will help you make money online. Today I have another amazing software. How amazing, I cannot tell you until you stick with me till the end of this one. Actually, it's called Newsly. Newsly is going live on the 24th of July 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time, and that will be GMT 4 p.m. and Central European time 5 p.m. and of course it's being launched by Attain, and in a nutshell, it's a software that is going to actually extract state-of-the-art news from different channels and of course rank them on Google, which will attract definitely traffic to your news. And then of course there you have your affiliate links or any other offer you have online being clicked on, and that definitely will intend to make money for you. If this is a product you are going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. It's going live on Warrior Plus platform, and of course, like I said, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York time on the 24th. Now, let us actually go into this one properly. This is my bonus page. When you click that link below in my description area, it's definitely going to bring you to my bonus page, where you will have access to actually get a copy for yourself by clicking this very link up here or any of the other blue links scattered all over this page like this one. When you do, it will definitely take you to the sales page, which is this. When you are on the sales page, you will be able to find some white buttons that are going to actually give you access to that very link that will take you to my Warrior Plus account, where you are going to get a copy for yourself. Let us see if we can locate any of the links, and then we go from there. I think one of them is up here. Sorry about the slow nature of my computer. My mouse has a problem, but I'm going to have to do what I have to do. But I'm sure that there is a link somewhere here you are going to find when you come here. Yeah, this very link, if you click on it, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account, where you check out on this product. When you are on my Warrior Plus account, after your purchase, you will find a page that looks exactly like this one, where you have access to two buttons. This one gives you access to the purchase of Newsly software, and here you have this blue one giving you access to the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. Super duper bonuses at that. And definitely let us go into proper review of this one. And with that, we will start with my bonus page. This is what Branson Tay is saying. It says 62-year-old ex-secretary Linda Bachman from Denver officially retired from her job and now making $127 per year from home, and free video how Linda consistently and predictably collect nearly $2,000 to $3,000 to $4,000 in weekly paychecks. How true this is, nobody actually knows, because I cannot tell you if this is true or not. But definitely, when you get this product, after all, it has, I think, 30-day money-back guarantee. You can find out if this is true. Sometimes when it sounds too good to be true, you never know if it's going to be true. It says it's 100% new breakthrough money making for newbies. Case studies, 25 out of 27 beginners participants made documented and verified profit. This you are going to find out for yourself. With that said, let us go into the very pricing for this one. The front end goes for $19, and that will give you access to this very software. This is the dashboard itself, which I'm going to show you and definitely give you a demo video of this product in action. And now let us actually look at the pricing. $19 for front end, and of course you have the OTO number 1, which goes for, I believe, the done for you version of this, which means everything is done for you on autopilot. And then you have this as $297, and of course OTO number 1 is $47, which is the pro version of this very product, which means it's advisable to get this one if you get the front end. Now you have the OTO number 2, which is the done for you. It goes for $297, and here you have OTO number 397. It goes for $97. And you have OTO number 4, $47, OTO number 5, $167, which I guess is the resale rights. And of course you have the IMX bundle here as OTO number 6, $297, and here you have OTO number 7, $67. These are all optional. The most important ones to buy are the front end and of course the unlimited version of the front end. Of course, if you want anything done for you, this may be the one you get. And of course, here are some of the amazing benefits you have with this one. Like I read before, it's 100% a new breakthrough money making for newbies and beginners. How true that is, I cannot say at this moment. Now, like I told you, any of these buttons will take you to the sales page where you get a copy for yourself. Now, let us look at my amazing bonuses. My first bonus will be access to Product Vault, which gives you 17 amazing product for CPA offers. Anything you can think of, you have it. 17 software and training courses that are going to help you begin to make money as early as today. That's my bonus number 1. You have 17 in 1 bonuses in this bonus number 1 of mine. My bonus number 2 will be 3 monetization strategies, which is John Armstrong's monetization strategies, 3 of them, which will help you monetize your YouTube channel or TV channel on YouTube, and any of the websites that you need to monetize. These strategies will help you do that. My bonus number 3 will be the Daily Profit Success. Is a software that is going to help you, train you on how you can make money online on autopilot. And now my bonus number 4 will be the Commission Toolbox. This is a crazy one because it has over 1,000 tools, marketing tools, configuration tools, monetization tools, every kind of tool you can think of in the digital space you can find in this over 1,000 links that will give you performance capabilities in different ways if you take your time to go through them. Now, that's my bonus number 4. My bonus number 5 will be how to convert your traffic fast. Traffic is the brainchild of any business online, and without traffic, there is no making money, because it is traffic that gives you the clicks that you need to get people to actually buy from you. Now, without it, you can't really make money. One thing is to have that traffic, and the other thing is to have the hacks and the knowledge to actually convert them as fast as possible. This is what this product bonus number 5 is going to do for you. And of course, that's about what you have as bonuses. Like I told you, if you click any of these blue links here, they will take you to the sales page. Where you click any of these white ones, they will definitely take you to my Warrior Plus account, where you find a button under your purchase history like this, which gives you Newsly product. And here you have this amazing blue button to give you access to the very bonuses that I have lined up for you. And of course, I will have more bonuses for Warrior Plus account. Now, what we do here is to go to the very members area. This is the software itself. We will not go into details with this. Here you have a DEET profile, menu builder, basic settings. You have domains and URL and post management, about me, gallery management, and FAQ management, of course, custom pages. And here are the posts, the featured posts, and these are all basically what the dashboard looks like. But without wasting time, let us see the demo video of this very software in action so that you see exactly how it works. I think that takes care of that. Okay, after that we'll come to the sales page to wrap up this one. Oh yes, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here. Now, this is the sales page for Newsly. Let us actually scroll together and see if we can sort of go through them together and see if this is going to help you make up your mind. I don't know if I can give this any rate, because I know that when it sounds too good to be true, sometimes it is true, you know, because I mean, evidence abound that you can Google, make a #1 page ranking on Google, and this will bring visibility to your materials, your software, to your websites, and that means getting the traffic you need to actually make money online, depending on what you are offering, you know, maybe affiliate links or whatever else you want to offer. That will definitely give you access to that. So at your convenience, when you are here, you will definitely have access to this one and see if this is going to be for you. But for now, we are going to simply go through it and see if we can locate the vendor bonuses, which I am sure may be here for you. But like I said, at your convenience, when you come here, you will be able to go through the testimonials and go through the income proofs that are there, but make up your mind based on what it says it does, which is to rank on Google by giving you access to certain information that may be good for your business. Now, this is the I believe the bonus #1 from the vendor, which is 1K a day live masterclass. And of course, you have a bonus #2 should be you know, here. Bonus #2, 30-second free commissions. Bonus #3, $513 per day viral traffic. Bonus #4, Newsly commercial license. And bonus #5 will be 1 million a year blueprint. That's about what you have as bonuses from the vendor. Well, that will definitely bring us to the end of this one. But before we do, let us run through my amazing bonuses, which I'm going to run from down up. Here you have the how to convert your traffic fast. And then here you have over 1,000 tools under the commission toolbox. And of course, that makes you commissions on autopilot. And here you have the daily profit success. Of course, here you have the 3 monetization strategies from John Armstrong. And of course, #1 should be the 17-in-1 bonuses. So you have basically authority with this one and can use it to your best abilities, and of course, make money for yourself. So that's exactly what we have for you here. This is where we are going to end it. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. And of course, I'll be back to you in the next review. Till then, this is still your Mike, signing out from here. Bye guys.